Hello and welcome back to Learn English Slow for Beginners. Relax and enjoy Foundation 18. There is no need to memorize. You are doing really well. Now, listen to the English words for today. Just listen. Up, down, left, right, back, forward, move, turn. Okay, listen to the words again and repeat them after me. Up, up, down, down, left, left, right, right, back, back, forward, forward, move, move, turn, turn. Good, nice and slow. Now we can make some joined words. You can repeat them if you like. Look up, go down, turn left, turn right, walk back, move forward, move slow, your turn. Very good. Now, listen to a simple story using all of the words. Today, a man and a woman walk outside. They are hungry and want to eat. They want to find a good restaurant. The man says, "Let's turn left at the big shop." They walk forward, but they see no shop. The woman looks at her phone and stops. She says, "We must move fast because it is late." They go back and start to look again. Then they see a small sign on the right. They look up and see a nice place. They walk down the stairs to go inside. They sit down, eat good food, and feel happy. Finally, let us hear the English words one more time. Up, down, left, right, back, forward, move, turn. Okay, that is all for today. Well done. Rest now, and I will see you for the next lesson. If you enjoyed this lesson, you can like, share, and subscribe.